Hello friends, welcome to Era Nova, and today we discuss about formal, informal and mixed relationship within an industry. Formal, informal and mixed relation within an industry is the part of internal relation which occurs within an industry. Formal relationship are refers to as a relation which accounts of their work and positions. It is only a relation which occurs between a boss of a industry and their workers. It is only a relation which is studied in the form of work and position. If worker only interact with their boss by their work and any problem which within an industry. For example, interaction between two persons working in same factory and in different department will be formal. Now we discuss about informal relation. Informal relations are refers in these ways that the relation which occurs the personal and individual relations among the member of management and employees. So as I say, it is the relation which occurs members and individual. For example, in a industry, two friends are works. So then there have two relations, one formal relation and one informal relation. A formal relation are occurs when there have a two position, one in the form of boss and one in the form of worker, and informal relations are in the form of friends. So now you got all the points. Then we move to the mixed relationship. The mixed relationship refers the relation which are not completely formal or informal are called mixed relationship. As we know, students, as we know, it is the relationship are generally see in the colleges. In the colleges, teachers and friends have two relationships. In a classroom there have a formal relation, and outside the classroom there have a informal relation. Teachers also um, teacher also talk by the students in the informal way. So there is a mixed relation. It also occurs in a private companies and any. It is not occurs in a government agencies. Thank you.